my gosh, I hit myself. Sorry, something landed on me. I am a princess and I'm lost. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to be doing is celebrating Halloween because I am the queen of Halloween. Just kidding. But really, I freaking love Halloween, and if you love Halloween and you're looking for like the super easiest makeup tutorial for Halloween, last minute, whatever you have, this is it. It's super easy. If you don't know how to do makeup, trust me, you know how to do this. So just go ahead and keep on watching if you want to know how this evil winter queen turned out. Or just a winter queen, you know, whatever you want it to be, it is that. Okay, great. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Prime my face with the Cover Fix primer. If there's any left. Oh no. I use another Maybelline foundation, and it's this one right here. It's a lot better, and I don't think I have any of this left. I don't know why I always run out of everything. It's always happened to me. Anywho, I'm going to be using my Eco Tools brush just to blend it all over my face. And ready, set, go. So you just want to pump it all out. Honestly, I like this foundation. It's really good. It's a really good drugstore foundation. Really good. Okay. And this headband is to keep my hairs away, but it's not doing its job. Hello, why not? I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer. Where is it? Right? Can I never find anything? I don't understand. I know where it is. It's in my makeup bag. 1 second. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and I did do them pretty exaggerated, as you can see, because this is a Halloween look and we're not trying to look too pretty, okay? Because it's supposed to be Halloween. Halloween is meant to be scary, in my opinion. I mean, yeah, you can look cute and everything, but the goal here today is to look kind of cute, kind of scary. But Halloween is like makeup. It's a costume, so obviously you have to do things a little bit more exaggerated than usual, right? Okay, so I'm concealer now, and I'm going to be using my all-time favorite concealer. Now I finally have some. The Maybelline Neutralizer. Maybelline Neutralizer. Again, you kind of want to get a lot of... I really like bright eyes. And right here, and right here. And then I'm going to use this brush. Okay, perfect. So after you are done with your concealer and your foundation, now we're going to go ahead and put some base on our eyelids. We're going to start with our eyelids. I changed my mind. What you're going to need now is, I just bought this from Walmart. You can get it anywhere. White powder, like a cream. Not really like the gel unless you really want to get all messy, but this white powder should be fine. It was only 98 cents. It's the first time using it, so let's hope it works. And for this, I'm also going to be using my fingers and a brush, because a beauty blender is going to suck it all in. So this is it. And let me touch it. It literally feels like oil. Great. Oh, there we got some white. So I'm just gonna apply some on my face with my fingers over my foundation, so it looks kind of white. My makeup looks a little bit whiter. And you know what? I'm gonna use this brush. Oh my gosh, no! It's getting my foundation. I don't think this is that good, honestly. Don't go to Walmart. Maybe we can make it work. Let's make this work. How badly am I gonna break out? Why? Pretty bad, probably. Pretty bad. But we'll be fine. We will be fine. Let's just do this. Again, you're not supposed to look pretty, right? Not supposed to look pretty. And it's not that exaggerated either. We're not going for like a super, like my whole face is gonna be white. Okay. I'm just using all my fingers because I don't have time for this. Ain't nobody got time for this. Okay, okay. Now to look a little frosty. Get it? Frosty. I want to look like a cinnamon bun. Glazed at the top and then, you know, brown hair. Okay. So this paint did not work very well. It literally looks like I just added oil to my face. It's not that white. Yikes. So what we're gonna do next is, what are we gonna do? I'm gonna get this Makeup Forever Professional Setting Powder. You can use any setting powder. There's one like the Royal, it's like Royal something, but it's white. You don't want the yellow one because it's kind of gonna make you look yellow. So just so I could take away the oiliness of your face. A little more, because I'm still not that white. I was really trying to be white, but I guess it's not gonna happen today. It's not gonna happen today. That's why you don't buy 98-cent things, because obviously they're not gonna work. Hello, common sense, Jessica. Sometimes I don't know why I don't use my common sense. I'm done kind of making yourself a little bit like you're giving, after you're done giving yourself a base, you're gonna want to go ahead and get this brush right here. Okay, now we're gonna get that blue and we're gonna put it all over. Okay, after you've done that color, now we're gonna go ahead and get this blue out here mixed with the blue up here. And again, now after that, we're gonna go ahead and, using a different thing, this brush, a flat brush like this, we're gonna go ahead and apply this silver glitter right here. And we're gonna go ahead and use our Urban Decay palette, and we're gonna go ahead and use these three colors right here. But we're going to be using this brush or a brush like this to do our contour. So what you're going to do, I just get my brush and I'm just literally going to go like this. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. My goodness, I'm trying to look like an ice princess and I'm over here looking like freaking, I don't even know what, like something that just got run over. Okay, back to my electric palette, using this blue right here. I am a total queen. Blend it, blend it, blend it. Oh Oh my goodness, I look like a hot mess, yo. Using this little brush now, again, use the blue from the electric palette. Use the 3 blues, all of them. Okay, wow, I am seriously glowing. Now, I'm gonna get this gray glitter right here. Sorry, right here. And I'm gonna put some of it right up here. What is this? What is happening? Holy crap. Oh my god, Omar, I don't know what I'm doing. So after we're done doing that, what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and get a really dark color. So I'm going to get this one right here, Black Mist, and I'm going to put it on the outside of my lid. Because we are an evil queen. You know what I'm saying? Evil queens are not cute. You can also use like stronger glitter if you want. I just think I like this glitter a lot, so I'm gonna keep it with this glitter. Oh, it looks super crazy right now. Then what we want to do is we want to add lashes. Okay, and this is gonna literally change the whole look. Okay, next what you want to use is I'm gonna be using these lashes right here. They are clusters from Salon. Perfect. I got them at Walmart. They're actually my favorite lashes. Perfect. Now our next step is we want to make a scar right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to be using my Morphe palette, this one right here, and you can use any, literally any, as long as you have like a brown in there. So I'm gonna get this brown. So I'm gonna get this brown and mix it with this brown. These 3 right here. Sorry. You're gonna get this one and a hint of this one and mix it, okay? For this part, what you want to do is, well, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get black eyeshadow as well. In there. Bro, I look freaking weird. Like, what is this? What is this exactly going on here? Okay. And then I have some vampire red blood. Oh, vampire. Get it. Shake it up. I swear, if I get this all over my shirt, it's not gonna be cool. And I am literally gonna just like, first pull your hair out of your way, because this hair is obviously not staying away. Ah! I told you. I freaking knew that was gonna happen. Sorry guys, I hit my head really hard right now. Something fell on me. Sorry. JK, obviously. Okay, so really. So, okay, now what we're gonna do is, I think this blood is enough. You know, it's gonna drip. Now, I wanna get my lips to be a little bit black, because I'm an evil person. So using a black pencil eyeliner, I'm gonna outline my lips. Want to clean up your lips. Next, I'm gonna get this, and I'm gonna also outline a little bit of. Actually, I'm gonna leave it like that. I feel like it's missing something. Be right back. The hair. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this blonde wig that I bought. I don't know why I bought it, but hey, I bought this wig and I'm gonna be using it. So let's see how it looks. So to put this wig on, I'm gonna get my hair. I'm gonna push it all back into a little bun. And I look pretty cute right now. Get this like smuggler thing when you smuggle someone. Put your hair behind it. Oh, unsnatched. I look so funny. Anyways, I haven't even taken the tag out of this thing. You have that, but wait a minute. Back. So you want to get your bobby pin, and of course you want to cut this. This is a lace front wig. I just haven't cut it yet, but you want to cut this or tuck it inside. There you go. And this is like not in all the way. Ah! Nobody pull my hair on Halloween because you'll see me bald. So, again, you want to cut this little part off to blend it nicely. I'll make another video on how to put on a wig correctly, but I'm sure for Halloween people don't really spend that much, so you could just pull it down. So get a bobby pin and just, I mean, I should just cut that, but I'm not, so I'm just gonna hide it. And where did my crown go? Who took my crown? Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have any comments, anything that I can improve on, or anything you'd like to see, just go ahead and comment down below, and hopefully you come back for your next video. So bye!